Coach is the best coach of all time, man. Just to be a part of this moment in history, be able to play on the court and say, I was there, I helped him get that 903rd win is phenomenal. There's no greater feeling. And, he tries not to, focus on that. He wants to focus on us. But you can see in his eyes, the glow in his eyes, how happy he is and how proud he is to represent him and his family and also Duke. So it's a great moment. Game pressure situations like that, it's always easier for the team that's behind, because they just running around. And, for us to control the ball, we could have done a better job. We had some key turnovers at the end, but, we came up, hit some big free throws, and, we're able to get a few stops, to keep the W. I clapped it up. They kind of surrounded Coach, all the cameras and stuff. But tried to find out where he was at, and you could see it in his eyes. The coaches were happy. All the players that came here, a lot of NBA players here, clapping it up for him, that played for him. So it was good.
I had the ball in my hands, so I knew we had to keep the ball for Coach. So I was just holding on to it. The excitement level for Coach, and it was a huge win for our team. Michigan State's a really good basketball team, and it was a good test for us. I don't think our game management was great towards the end of the game, but the bottom line is we won, and we pulled it out, and we did enough to win. There's certainly things we need to improve on, especially at that end of the game, and how we felt like we played in the first half. Both of those things we're going to see in film and improve upon, but we won, so that's what matters.
It's huge for us. It gives us a lot of confidence that we can come into a game with so many lights on us and against a good team like Michigan State and come in and win it. It was a battle out there for 40 minutes, and it's good for our young guys to get in that type of situation and know what it's like to win a game as a team. The biggest thing is the second half, we came out with a different mindset. We were more aggressive on the ball defensively, and we didn't let them just make any pass they wanted. And then that defense turned into good offense, and we were able to come out and make a run.
Andre Dawkins.